Hello, Gems family. I'm just sharing what I'm doing with my Streamyards. You all know that the plan that I had went up to $44.99, so I had to make sure that I cancel. So I'm showing you the step-by-step process on how I canceled my Streamyards. This will come up on the screen. It's telling you what you will lose by canceling your plan on whatever level you're on. So that's what I did. When you see this, you click you want to cancel right under the billing, and then the next screen will come up. And the next screen comes up, it shows everything you have here, what level you're on, and all of those things. And you scroll down to the bottom under billing, all the way to the bottom, and you will see cancel membership. And that's where you click cancel membership, and then it will go to the next screen. And then next, Streamyards will be asking you for feedback on why you are canceling your plan. I clicked because of the cost was more than I could afford, and then I went on to the next screen. And because I canceled, then I got an offer from Streamyards where they chose to take 20% off of the price plan that I had. That was $44.99, which would turn out to be, which is $35.96. That's 20% off $44.95 for the next 6 months. But I still decided to cancel, and it was asking me a question. You still have 10 days to be on the core plan. Are you sure that you want to do that? So I had to scroll down to the bottom and click yes. So then this screen came up that your plan has been canceled, and I had done everything that I needed to do in order to not be charged for another billing plan and cycle of $44.95 starting on October the 1st. So that's done. I still have 10 days left on my StreamYard plan, but now when I had finished all of this, I looked on the next screen and I couldn't believe what I saw. It said that now I am on a free plan. So I really don't know what is involved in the free plan. So on the next video, I'm going to talk about the free plan and what will be offered in the free plan. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe.